Hello everyone, Briar Patch Antiques here, and we're looking at this miniature or salesman sample of a Hoosier or baker's cabinet. As you can see, it has the cutting board and a couple little drawers underneath that do pull out. I believe there was a door here at one time, but not today. And then a couple, well, this door opens up here, as you can see. And also, as you can see, it's loaded up with pie birds. And many of these pie birds are marked with different makers on them. There's some pretty unique ones here. I don't know if you see the little guy there. Let's see, an inchworm or a caterpillar. It's kind of neat. And then we've got I believe it's a turtle. There's a little bird on a mushroom. There's several different ones here. And all of these will be available at our April 2026 sale, as well as the little, I'm going to call it a salesman sample Hoosier. Now the Hoosier measures 27 inches tall. It's right at 18.5 inches wide and about 10 and 3/4 inches deep. Great display piece. Another unique, I don't know if you call that a pie bird or not, but you stick these in the pies and allow the steam to come out. Back in the day. Very cool, very ornate, very collectible. So these, as I said, will be available at our April 2026 sale. And we typically have a few of these on hand. However, the more unique ones go very quickly. So expecting these to go quickly as well. I have never seen the turtle, or I'm going to call that a caterpillar, or the little bird on a mushroom. Maybe they're common. I've never seen them. I've seen a lot of the other pie birds. But if you collect these, or you know somebody that does, what a great opportunity to get them. April 2026, so you're going to want to be here and be ready. Our shops are going to be loaded. The outside is going to be loaded. So come expecting a lot of fun. Also, as always, if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and share our channel with your family and friends and help us grow our channel. We sure would appreciate it. A lot more videos coming your way, so stay tuned. Hope you all have a great day. We'll talk to you later.